So, as you know, Sugar and Sloth have the Tiny Party Club box, and I've been receiving it now for the past few months and been absolutely loving it. So I figured, let's go the extra mile and have a proper tiny party with some balloons, because you can't have a party without balloons, okay? And also, balloons just, in general, just make me happy. So, we now have this as a background. Enjoy it for as long as it lasts. Also, this month's box came in something slightly bigger, so I'm a little bit more intrigued, a little bit more excited. I have no idea what else is in here, so let's get into it. Your girl Ayesha, and I'm excited. I'm actually really excited because I don't know what else is inside the box. I'm used to them coming in just the really super duper cute little flat boxes, and I'm sure that'll be inside of this box, but I don't know what else is in here because it's kind of big. So I don't know, but I'm very excited to get into it. I can't believe that this is the last Tiny Party Club box of the year. I don't know where the year has gone, but quite frankly, it can do one, okay? Because this year has been difficult enough as it is. So hopefully this video will bring you some joy. So go ahead, grab a snack, grab some drinks, grab some, what else do you have at parties? Popcorn, whatever. Let's have a tiny party. Okay, let me just quickly open this. Woo! I'm excited. I'm very, very, very excited. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. Any unboxings that I do, and I do a lot of unboxings, I tend to do them blind. So I just dip my hand in and pull something out. I don't know what's inside. So there's going to be lots of surprised faces from me. Okay, so I'm feeling a lot of packaging. Was this the extra surprise? A whole bunch of packaging. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What is this? Hang on a second. Hang on. What is... I'm gonna have to take a quick peek. Oh my goodness. Okay, so... Have I actually got a Tiny Party Club box? Or is this... I think this is actually just an assortment of things rather than... Unless they've mixed the Tiny Party Club box with this little extra something. I don't know, but I'm feeling fabric. Okay, I'm going to save that for last. Let me just quickly see that. Do you know, I love this so much. Never apologize for how you look or how you feel. I love this slogan so much, and I really do wish that it was on a t-shirt. I really do. I'm hoping, I'm not sure if they've just added in a little extra something. Anita, what have you done? Okay. This is, wait, is this? Okay, so this isn't the card that tells you what's inside, so I can actually look at this. Oh my gosh, Rainbow Space Cadets. Oh my goodness. Never stop exploring. That is so cute. How cute is this? How adorable is this? I think that this is the Tiny Party Club block. Oh my God. Tiny Party Club blocks. Wow, it's late. Tiny Party Club box, but they've popped in a little extra something for me. That's what I think. I adore that. That is super duper cute. I really do like that. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, I'm feeling a sticker. Oh, this little snail is so cute. Everything is gonna be okay. Thank you, snail. Thank you very, very much. Can you guys see that? Is that in focus? Ah, there we go. That's better. Everything's gonna be okay. That is so, so cute. That needs to go in resin. I know I say this all the time with every sticker that I get. I need to put this in some resin. I will. I promise I will when I get to it. Okay. What is this? Oh, I've got some tea. Bird and Blend. Tea company, spreading happiness, reimagining tea. Did you know your tea bag inside is 100% plastic free and biodegradable? Ooh, black. This means I'm a black tea. I taste great with or without milk. Warning, contains 1 cupful of happiness, may cause big smiles and sighs of relief. Ah, I do love me some tea. So this one is Earl Grey cream. So Earl Grey with a hint of vanilla. Do you know, I used to only drink like herbal tea, so like just your peppermint teas and any fruit tea going. But that's because I thought that normal tea had to have milk in it, and I don't really like milky things. Until one day, when I was where was I? I think I was at like my nail course, and they didn't have any herbal tea, and I forgot to bring mine, but they only had Earl Grey, and then I decided to try it black with a bit of sugar, and it was actually really quite nice. So I will definitely try that out a little bit later on. I mean, it is way past my bedtime, so I'll have it before I go to bed. What are you? Little Frog of Fortune. Oh my god. That is so adorable. I love the little box. Oh my goodness. I think that she's like mixed up some extra bits in here for me. Oh, Anita, you didn't have to do that. Oh. Now, my friend Lucy will go crazy for this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at this. Seriously, how adorable is this? Lucy, I know that you're watching this video, and I know that you're probably screaming right now. How cute is this? On the back of it, it says, have faith in yourself. Thank you so much. Honestly, sometimes we do forget to have a little bit of faith in ourselves. We definitely do. Actually, shall I pop you on? Let's pop you on. You actually match my hoodie, which is actually available for sale, by the way. Check out the link in the description box below. You can get yourself some Shasha merch. Right, let's pop you on. Yeah, there we are. You can just rest there. Can we please name our froggy? Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. What else am I feeling? I'm still feeling fabric. I'm still going to save that for last. What's this? Oh my goodness. This is like a... What's this? Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a rainbow dinosaur. Lucy, you're gonna go mental. Oh my gosh. A rainbow dinosaur lanyard. Can we just... Look at this. Can we please just appreciate? And it matches my hair. How many times have I done unboxings and then gone, oh my god, it matches my hair? Because it does. Ah, and that it matches my hair, it matches my hoodie, matches my balloons, it matches everything. Oh my goodness. I love this. I absolutely love this. I need to hook this onto one of my really big resin necklaces. I love it. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay, what else do we have? What else is in here? Okay, I'm feeling a whole book. What are you? Never apologize for how you look or how you feel. Is this a notebook? Perfect. This is super duper cute. And it's got little dinosaurs on the bottom. How cute, how cute, how cute. I just really love all of the like intricate artwork that goes into these. Like there are just so many different characters. Like take a closer look at that. Like there's just so much there to look at. Honestly, I absolutely love this brand. I really do. I can't believe how many cute things that I have. Is this another book? What is this? It's a colouring book, because as you guys know, I've kind of gotten into colouring now. Oh my goodness. Happy Place. This whole thing just matches the entire aesthetic I've got going on here. I love it. A chunky motivational colouring book from Sugar and Sloth. People are scary. Ghosts are okay. What if you're already enough? Oh my goodness. This is so sweet. Maybe filled, No, may your day be filled with puppies dressed as baby unicorns. Always hungry, forever tired. This is me. This is me right here. I fully identify with this creature. I don't know whether it's a hippo or what, but I don't care. I fully identify. This is me on a regular basis, on a daily basis. I'm always hungry and I'm forever tired. I can relate. Oh my goodness. I hate everyone but you. These are so cool. I thought about going to the gym today. Hey, do you know what? Sometimes at least you thought about it. It's the thought that counts, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Am I gonna have to do some videos of me colouring in this book? This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. The days are getting dark and cold, but there's no need for dramas. Just put biscuits in your face and live in your pajamas. Aren't we all, babe? Look, aren't we all just doing that right now? Honestly. These are so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's okay if you fall apart sometimes. Tacos do, and everybody loves them. Oh my god, this is adorable. And it says on the back, hello beautiful human, welcome to the wonderful world of sugar and sloth cuties. These chunky babies are looking a little pale. Please would you colour them in their true rainbow colours. All the drawings in this book have been lovingly crafted for you by UK artist Anita Perry. Colouring is best with a cup of tea. Well, we've got that sorted. And a biscuit, or 7. Thanks for giving me permission to have 7 biscuits at once. I appreciate that. On hand, please share your creations with the tag #sugar and sloth so Anita can stalk you. She will stalk you. She will. In a nice way, obviously. But like, honestly, like everything is just so beautifully put together. It's all super duper cute. Okay, I wonder if, is this the last thing? The fabric that I can feel, is it the last thing? I think so. Okay. Oh! It's the t-shirt that I have loved ever since I first saw it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. I love this t-shirt so much, right? I am a true believer in just loving whoever the hell you want, okay? Be with whoever you wish. It doesn't matter about, you know, who is what gender or whatever. It doesn't matter. I am a full believer in love being love. And this t-shirt with the 2 dinosaurs just going, kiss who you want. I love this so much. This is just perfect. I actually feel like I need to try this on. This is super duper cute. This is even cuter in real life. Oh my god. And it matches my hair. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Down to the exact shade of pastel. Matches my hair. Look at that. Just kiss who you want, okay? Love whoever. It doesn't matter. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love this so much. Thank you so much, Anita and Sugar and Sloth team, for sending me so many lovely goodies. My goodness, do you know, I don't know whether like this month's Tiny Party Club box had like a mishmash of different things in, like I just have, or if you've like sort of created this box specifically for me. I'm not entirely sure, but regardless, I'm eternally grateful. And it really has made me smile, because quite honestly, I have had an incredibly hard time recently, and it's the reason why, you know, you guys haven't seen that much of my face these days, because I've been struggling a lot with my health, and boxes like this really do help to like put a smile on my face and to just sort of perk me up. I've actually had it sitting here for the past couple of days, and both days I've wanted to get myself dolled up and open them up, but it was the energy. I did not have the energy. Today I didn't have the energy, but I pushed myself to do it because, like, no, A, I really want to see what's inside. B, I really want to do this for Anita. And C, I need to feel happy, you know, and whoo, I'm not allowed to cry. I'm not allowed to cry. Oh, no, I'm not gonna cry. No, no, no. I've done too much of that recently, too much. But yeah, I needed to feel some more joy in my life, because sometimes when your health is really bad, it can steal a lot of your joy, and that's how I've been feeling recently. And yeah, so thank you so much for bringing a lot of joy to me right now. This for me is icing on the cake, and I'm going to try it on right now. Give me 1 second. Genuinely super duper happy with everything about this t-shirt. I love the fit, I love the color, I love the message. This is the most important part. This is everything. This to me is how we should all be looking at life. Do you know what I mean? Like, everyone should be free to be with whoever they want. There should be no judgment at all. And I don't understand why more people can't be like that, but hey ho. Hopefully we are moving towards change, because, you know, everyone should just be free to be with whoever they like. And quite frankly, it's no one else's business whoever you want to be with, okay? You don't owe anybody an explanation. You don't have to, you know, broadcast whoever it is that you wish to be with if you don't want to. If you do want to, then that's fine as well, you know. But just know that whoever you choose, that is completely up to you, and it's completely valid, it's completely fine. Don't be afraid to be with whoever you want to be with. Listen to these super duper cute dinosaurs. They are spreading a very important message and looking very cute at the same time. Right, what I need to do now is have a little look through the colouring book again and see which one I'm going to colour in first, because that was super duper cute. If you would like to check out Sugar and Sloth and their Tiny Party Club box, or any of the stuff that they got going on in their website, then please do have a look in my description box below, because there is a discount code there for you specifically for the Tiny Party Club box. But also you can obviously check out the website and see what other amazing things there that they do. They do so many things. Thank you so much, Anita, and to the rest of the Sugar and Sloth team for giving me all these goodies. You have definitely put a smile on my face. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.